Hi everyone, welcome to the Gray Slave. So here I am at the Dollar Tree and looking at the party section, and we have a big white affair bash, and we don't really want to go with all of these colors right here, even though we are going to do a pop of color. Yeah, I thought we kind of go over here and let me show you their silver section, but let's glance over the colors. So we have black and gray and some purple in this door, two different types of green, some yellow and some white. So we do have the regular plain white over here. I'm sorry for the noise. I just want to show you, these are the plastic plates. They're reusable. Definitely we can use these. And they normally have the dinner plate. That one that I showed you looks like the cake plate, and we have the white utensils, but we could also go with this area over here. Don't you just love this new stuff that Dollar Tree is bringing in? I'm loving it. So we can kind of go with this section here. I'm kind of liking this clear, the clear instead of the actual white color, and I'm also liking the silver. So your pop-up color again can be anything that you would like. I'm just showing you some options here. And then we also need some decorations and some gift bags, guys. This is a big white bash, and then we also have right behind me, we have the candles. We even have the happy birthdays. This is probably too much color for me, but look at the candles. I love the metallic. And these are the taller ones. I'd never seen these. So they have a lot more stuff in their party section. This is just to give you an idea. Here's the black and white in two different styles. I like this one. The numbers, which we're going to stay away from. So look at this. This is like so awesome. And these are what? These are tassel tissue garlands. And again, it all depends on what color you're going to use as the pop colors. You have your streamers here and your hanging decorations. So I don't know what kind of pop color you're going to use, but I thought this would be a good opportunity to announce the White Affair birthday bash. I cannot wait for you to be there. I am so excited. I'm in Dollar Tree looking for some ideas, and the host of this collab is at Penny's Place and the Gray Slave DIY Home Decor. The co-host I'm going to go ahead and list below because I am walking through Dollar Tree and don't have my paper with me. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Remember, I'm going to be posting everything in my community tab, and I cannot wait to see you there. Join the birthday bash, guys. We're going to have fun. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.